Did you know that your home's equity can be a powerful financial tool? Every time you make a mortgage payment, you're building equity. And if your home appreciates in value, which they typically do, that gain is equity too. The math is super simple, I promise. Your home's value minus what you owe on it equals your equity. So what can you do with all that cash that's just sitting in your home? Here are 6 of my favorite options. Number 1, home improvements. Enhance your living space and increase your property's value. Number 2, debt consolidation. Use your home's equity to pay off all of your high interest credit card, student loan, any debt, and roll all of that into one manageable mortgage payment. Number 3, education funding. Invest in yourself or your loved one's college education, tuition, fees, books, etc. Number 4, start a business. Use your equity to kickstart your own venture or expand your current business. Number 5, emergency fund. Your home's equity can serve as a safety net in the event of any financial challenges. And number 6, retirement planning. Bolster your retirement savings and ensure a comfortable future. And of course, always consult with a financial professional so that you make sure you are making the most informed decisions. If you're ready to utilize your home's equity, Homespire can help.